The Moto G Max will debut in India on August 14th and will be available for purchase via the official company website and Flipkart. It will be offered in Pantone Alaskan Blue, Pantone Malaga, and Pantone Stargazer color options. The Moto G Max will also offer an IP64 rating, stereo speakers, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. The phone will sport a 6.72-inch LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate and Full HD Plus resolution. It will be powered by the Snapdragon SIXS Gen 4 chipset, which will be paired with 6GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. The smartphone will offer a dual rear camera setup with a 50MP Sony LYTIA600 main sensor and an 8MP ultra-wide unit, a 32MP selfie camera. The Moto G Max will pack a 7000 mAh silicon carbon battery, which is claimed to offer up to 3 days of battery life. It will support 30W wired fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.